To create an event on a Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing your website editor. From the editor, click on the Add button and select Events from the available options. This will open the Wix Events app where you can create and manage your events. First, click on the Create Event button and fill in the event details such as the event name, description, date, time, and location. You can also add images and videos to make your event more engaging. Make sure to include all the necessary information that attendees will need to know. Next, set up the event settings such as the ticket price, capacity, and registration deadline. You can also choose to make your event free or paid, and set up different ticket types such as early bird or VIP tickets. Once you have filled in all the event details and settings, click on the Save button to create your event. Your event will now be listed on your Wix website and visitors can start registering for it. To promote your event, you can use Wix built-in marketing tools such as email marketing and social media integration. You can also add a registration form to your website and share the event link on your social media channels. Additionally, you can track event registrations and ticket sales from the Wix Events app. This will help you to stay organized and make any necessary changes to your event. By following these steps, you can easily create and manage an event on your Wix website. Remember to keep your event details up to date and to promote your event regularly to attract more attendees. With Wix event management tools, you can create a successful and stress-free event that your attendees will love.